Hi guys, welcome to We Fix Technology. Today we're going to see how we can have a quantity drop down in WooCommerce. By default in WooCommerce, you may not see something like this, right? So my client had a requirement. He's selling in hundreds and thousand pieces. So uh, he wanted quantity like 100, 200, 500, or 1000, whatever. So I did a lot of research, spent a good time, but could not figure out. I tried some custom hooks as well, but it didn't work out. Let me show you by default WooCommerce how it looks like. By default, it was like this. So you're supposed to add quantity one, two, three, or maybe manually type, but this is not what client wanted. They wanted something like they should have some drop down option and predefined option, whether you want to buy 100 or 500 or 1000. You know what I mean? So I found the solution. I did some good research, and there's a plugin called made by WP Factory. Let me show you the name of the plugin. If you see that, the good part is that that's the free plugin. I did not buy that. Min Max setup quantity limit. It's a big name, manager by WooCommerce. If you come to add plugins and if you search this name, you can stop the screen and copy this name or write down this name. You're gonna figure out from the icon made by WP Factory. So I installed this plugin, Min Max Step Quantity Limit Manager for WooCommerce. Now this plugin has a beautiful kind of features. So if I show you how it works, the good part is that it you can enable disable anytime. And from minimum quantity, you can set up the number and allow that. And maximum quantity, you can set up the numbers and allow that. And finally, you can set up the default quantity, and the major part is step. What step do you want? 100, or 200 or 500 or 1000. I chose 100. So my steps are like minimum 100, maximum 1000. It divides into that steps accordingly, right? So customer would have 10 options to pick from. So you can change the frequency accordingly. And the last part, which did make the magic, it was the drop down feature. So you enable the drop down and it's gonna talk your language. Yes. So I did not buy anything and it worked out. Let me show you the output one more time. I'm gonna come here, refresh the page. You see that? I have the quantity option. Perfect. Even it is working fine on the Astra theme. See that it has all the selected option possible from there. So guys, it maybe I am expecting it might have helped you. If you're working on a project like this, it could rescue you. If you need more videos like this, keep subscribing, keep commenting, keep liking, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you so much for your time. Cheers. Bye for now.